Alright, if you clicked on this video, it's highly possible that you are someone who is struggling to grow or build their audience on Instagram or YouTube. Because today, my friend, I'm going to end this struggle for you. And I'm being honest. Because in this video, I'm going to break down how exactly these online gurus, these Instagram coaches, and these social media gurus fool you and flood your brain with wrong information about how Instagram algorithm works. And honestly, if you just give 10 minutes of your time to this video, I promise you that it's gonna change how your mind thinks about these social media algorithm and how it works, and your whole perspective would be changed after these 10 minutes. And I promise you that. And after this video, it will be very easy for you to think that how can I get 200,000 followers, and especially how can I get clients using my content. Because I have done this for myself, for a couple of my clients, and I gained over 180,000 followers in last 12 months when I understood this thing that I'm going to share you right now in this video. So yeah, I would just request my editor, please editor bro, place the clips here. So today we are going to be covering two things. The first one, I'll break the bullshit which is all around internet and clarify your focus so that you can actually understand how content works. Next, I'm going to break down what's stopping you from growing, and we'll fix that right here, right now. So without wasting any time, I'll just come up to this, and firstly, I'll break some bullshit and clarify your focus. So understand this. Like, you have your trending sounds, you focus on what time to post, you focus on hashtags, you focus on adding topics to a reel, and you think it will perform good. And you assume that if I do these things correctly, then my video will perform good. But the harsh reality is that none of these things can make a bad video perform good. So this is simple. If you make a good video, you don't need to think about all of this bullshit to make it perform better. So it's simple. You need to understand that these social media platforms are businesses, and every business needs to make money to survive. Understand this. So you will be looking from the perspective of the business, that how they actually makes money, to be able to understand the algorithm. Okay. So first of all, there are only two ways for any social media platform to make money. Okay. The first way is subscription, like Netflix, and the second thing is advertisement. These two are the only ways that can be used by any social media company or platform to make money. Okay, because they are also a business and they need to make money to survive. So suppose we are not covering the subscription model right now, but it's none of our business right now. We are going to talk about the advertisement. Because Instagram uses advertisement. Instagram makes money using advertisement. Okay, so advertisers pay money to Instagram through ads and everything. So it's simple that the longer viewer stays on their platform, the more ads they watch. And the more ads they watch, the more money that platform makes. Simple. Understand this thing, that advertisers pay money and they spend on ads. That's how platform makes money. Okay, simple. So the only thing that Instagram's algorithm is optimizing for is to show its viewers videos that will keep them on the platform for longer. The only thing the CEO of Instagram wants, a lot of people should be staying on the platform as long as possible. So they want you to stay on the platform. I want you to imagine two different scenarios right here. Scenario number one. Okay, in this scenario, you posted a video, and let's say that video went through a small group of people. Let's say 7 people. Okay, it's a very small group. They saw your video. Let's say 100 people saw your video. It's a very small group. All of them scrolled your video. All of them just saw that video and scrolled, like in 2 seconds, let's say. After they scroll, let's say they quit the app. So both can be the conditions. Okay, let's say you didn't enjoy the video, you quit the app after watching my video, or let's say you scrolled the video because it was very bad. Then the video will not gonna get views. In the Instagram eyes, you are literally costing them money. Hence, they won't push your content. Understand this, that Instagram is losing money when your videos are not performing and you're making people go away from the platform and you are not helping Instagram. So why will they make money? And if they won't make money from your content, then they will not push it. Understand this. Let's come on the scenario number 2. This was the scenario number 1, and let's see the scenario number 2. You posted a video in the same scenario. It went to again 100 people. Those people, in 70% of them, watched start to finish. Like the video was of 35 seconds or 40 seconds, let's say. They watched it all. 70% of them, let's say 70 people watched that video. They liked the video, they commented on the video, and they shared the video. What happens then? Your video is an entire jackpot for Instagram. Instagram will do anything to make that video reach to places. Because in this scenario, Instagram don't care which hashtags you use. They don't care which trending audio you use. They don't care what tactics you used. Okay, that lot of gurus tell you. They will push your content because you are helping them to make money. So in the scenario 1, you are costing Instagram money. You're making it worse for Instagram to make money. And in this scenario, you are actually helping them to make money because you're making people stay on the platform. And that's what they want. So you will be pushed by Instagram. You will be pushed by the people. Then the algorithm will understand that, yeah, this video has something good in it and I have to push this. So the audience doesn't care about the algorithm, so you don't have to care about the algorithm. You only have to care about the audience to make it perform. So if your video is shit, then algorithm can't do anything. It won't push that video because you're costing Instagram money. And if your video is good, audience liked it, then the platform pushes you a lot. And this is how your video comes in For You page and the search page and everywhere in recommendation. So if a video didn't perform good as you like, it was never that the platform had you shadow banned or just because they didn't, you didn't use the right hashtag, just because you didn't use the right trending audio. It's not that. Your video was just dog shit. Your video was the piece of shit. That's why it didn't got views. So a video which has 1,000 views and a video which has 10,000 views, there must be something terrible going on in a 1,000 views video. There must be some problem in that video. Maybe the video is dog shit, but the video which got 10,000 views, it must be something there because of which it got better views. So this is something you need to understand. Some IG gurus, some Instagram coaches will make you choose the short-term path, and those short-term paths are paying for followers, like running paid ads, doing giveaways so that people come to you, taking shout outs from bigger creators, giving them money, yes, post my story and tell people to follow me. It's all like all these things are short-term fix to a long-term problem. Because growing on Instagram is not easy if you are relying on these paths that these social media gurus want you to choose. Because once you start doing all these things and you don't get the results that you wanted, you start to blame the algorithm. And that's how the whole story starts. So you don't blame the IG gurus, you start blaming the algorithm. Because all of the coaches and gurus tell you that it's the algorithm that doesn't want your video to perform. Understand this, that if your video has 1 million views, do you even need to run ads? Will you even think about running paid ads, taking shout outs, like doing giveaways? Will you even think about that if you are averaging, let's say 100,000 views on your videos? Of course not. You don't have time for that shit because you know good content always performs better. So you don't need to do this. The only type of person who will throw their money on these options must be creating really bad content. And guess what? Because if your video is not doing good organically, why would you pay for that shit to be watched by other people? See, you run ads on something that is already working, okay? You don't run ads on something that is not working organically and you want it to perform. It's not how it works. It's just your ego that you think that my video is diamond. My video is piece of gold. But actual may it's a piece of shit. That's why it didn't perform. And by doing this, by choosing all these paths, you're doing two bigger mistakes. First, not getting better at content because you're relying on all these paths, and you are worsening your reputation because you are producing that type of content which people didn't like organically, and you want to run ads on it, and you want other people to see that how bad your content is. So that's the whole game of content. I'll see you in the next one.